Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 30th, 2024. We have one regular puzzle left. Two puzzles are already solved: the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, and it's time now for the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. And news of today. Well, Trump convicted. Yeah. Anyway, enough about Trump. Let me start with this one. Tectonic number 8625. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. The hard ones, yeah, it's rare, the hard ones. So publisher, please publish a hard one. All right. It's indicated with 3 stars, 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. I think rather it's a 0 stars. 0 stars, 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here 3 single boxes. Here, here, and there. Single box, always a 1. Here 1, there 1, there 1. Alright. And now. Let me see. Now. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see 2 dual boxes. Here, dual box, there, dual box contains the 1 and the 2. The 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Here, 1 and 2. This box can be 1. The 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. More double boxes? No. How about triple boxes? No triple boxes in this puzzle. Triple boxes with 1 contains 1, the 2, and the 3. How about quarter boxes then? No quarter box. Well, we have here a quarter box. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. It contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, the other numbers could be everywhere. Only 1 quarter box. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Why you see this kind of shape? Well. Come on. Why you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. And then. This box can be a 4. Those two boxes can be a 4. So one box left for 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So one box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 2. So one box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. We have 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Well. Then. Let me see. Where's the opening? These two boxes in this area are left for the numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. In this area, we need a 1. These two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be supposed to be here then. Okay. Yeah. 3, 3, 5, 5. Need to think. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. 4. 4, 4. 4. Need a 4 there. Come on. No 2 there. 2. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. Well. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If you place a 4 here or here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So here can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. So the 4 in this area could be here, could be there. 4. Come on. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. No 5 here. No 2. These two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 in this area could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. 2 numbers left in this area for us. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well. 3, 3. 5, 5. I need a 4 here. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And this box can also not be a 5. So 2 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, let me mark those. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and 5. But we already have a 5 here. So, can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated there 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Okay. Alright, mark those 2 boxes early with a 2. We have a 2 there, so this can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, so 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be 3, this box can be 2, so the 3 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 3 and 2, 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and a 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there, and I've eliminated there the 4, so the 4 goes here. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, I've told you, should be a 0 stars. Yeah, faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.